Let us see how we can do line profiling for Odoo code. Let's activate the Odoo virtual environment and go to SRC folder. Let's search through all the Python source files for search_read method. We already knew that this is the problem causing method for us. We got a lot of results. This is not what we are expecting. Let's search for function definition of search_read. Cool, we got 2 results. Usually web_controllers Python files are responsible for all the web endpoints. So let's edit the file. Before doing that, make sure that you create a branch in Git. Okay, let's edit the file. Go to the line number. As you can see, search_read method is a proxy method which calls do search read method. Inside you can see it is getting request session, do a model search read call, and then account method. Let's add the profiling part here. We are adding profile decorator for do_search read. Let's run the profiling. So make sure that you run the profiling with current prof. -L means it is line profiling, V means it's verbose. Let's log into the ERP. And let's go to contacts page, which is res_partner, and go through typical operations. Let's see how effective it is for 2000 contacts listing. Okay, press Ctrl+C and we will see the results. As you can see, it took 3.48 seconds approximately with overhead of line profiling code, and see 96.5% of the time is spent on model.searchRead method, and 3.4% time is consumed on counting the result. Okay, let's go to the model search read method. Yeah, it's in OpenERP models.py. But we have a problem. We just can't add the profile decorator over here. This search_read is a base model method. Even though we can't find any decorators here, Odoo base class has a meta clause. The meta clause adds default decorator called guess to every method in the base class, injecting cursor, user ID, and context. See the meta clause, which Odoo base class is using. Whenever the instance of base model is called, decorator automatically added to the methods. This decorator is used for identifying and injecting context IDs and other stuff to the base class methods. Let's hack a bit here. If method name is search underscore read, we will add the profiling. This is equivalent to profile decorator. Let's see the result. Control C will give us the result of profiling. See, do search underscore read, then it came to search underscore read of base model. 1.4% of time is spent on self.search and 98.4% of time is spent on self.read. These methods are defined in base model of Odoo. Let's check for read method here. Okay, we have two read methods, API v7 and API v8 decorator. As you can see, the API v7 is a proxy method which calls for API v8. Let's do the profiling here. We added the profile decorator and we run again. Well, now we got the result. Do search read method took 3.4 seconds, and out of that 98.5% of time is spent on model search underscore read method, while model search read method took 3.4 seconds and out of it 2.5% of time is spent on getting the domain results, that is search method. 97.3% time spent on model read method. Model read method took 3.2 seconds to complete and it spent 67% time on method read from database. Took 3 calls. Please see the loop for conversion, and it executed more than 67,000 times. 34% time is spent on converting fields to Python dictionary. We can figure out a lot of optimization steps if we dig more, choosing different algorithms, removing unwanted codes, using loop optimization, using row queries instead of ORM, adding database indexes to tables, applying different algorithms, etc.